Hey guys, it's me Trace at TYS Creates. Thanks so much for stopping by my channel. I want to share with you some embellishments that I've made, but before I do that, I want to show you the paper kit that I used. And I did pick this up from Tuesday morning. It's by Echo Park. It's Lori Whitlock, and the name of the paper pad is I Love Sunshine. I've already used some of the paper, and I have 5 sheets left, and they are double-sided, so we'll just do a little quick flip through. This is the 4x6 cutouts here, and I love how bright and colorful the paper is. And this is another one, the back of that, and then here we go. Love the flip-flops and the beach balls, and this is the back of that paper. So let's get started with the embellishments that I've made. I'm going to start with the paper clip flags that I made. And the cutouts, most of the cutouts are from the paper kit, and a few of them, like this one here, is from my stash, stuff that I've been holding on to for a while. And so this is the first one that I've done. And I used some thread here. Love this camera, and these word stickers I got from Michael's. And this is the back of the paper. Love how they turned out. This is another one. Now this swimming suit here I got from Michael's. It was in a little kit, or an embellishment kit rather. And this is the back of that paper. And here is another one. I did 4. Well, I did different numbers. Of these, I did 4. And the back of that with the popsicles on it. And then this is the last one that I did. Love these little flip-flops. And this is the back of that. Okay, so that's it for the paper clip flags. And then I did some starburst embellishments. And I actually saw this on, I believe her name is Kenzie Crafts. She did some starburst embellishments, and that is what inspired me to do these. And here I just layered the, cut them out on from my Cricut machine. I layered them, offset them, and I just, again, used a lot of the stickers that came with the paper kit. And these I got from AliExpress. These are some small button scooters, and this is one of the little pretty girls from Hobby Lobby. So yeah, love the way that it turned out. Stinking cute. This is the second one that I did. The beach ball, the suntan lotion, these little puffy glasses here. And then this is the third one that I did. Love how they turned out. Then I did these embellishments. Now the background here is actually a bubble. What do you call it? A speech bubble. I believe that's what it is. And I cut it out several times and I offset it. I did the same thing I did with these Starburst embellishments. And again, just used the stickers from the paper pad. Again, love how it turned out. Stinking cute. Love the colors. And I think I did like 6 of these. Look at how cute that is. Again, using these little girls from Hobby Lobby and some more of the little puffy stickers that I got from Hobby Lobby. Love it, love it, love it. And these envelopes here were actually gifted to me in a Valentine's swap. So yeah, I was able to incorporate this. And I don't know how, I'm always hoarding my goodies that people send me, and I am really trying to use them because they are really stacking up. So I was glad that I was able to use these envelopes that was sent to me. Loving the colors. Really pretty. And here is another one. The little pail here. More of those stickers and more thread here. And I think I did like 6 of these. Enjoy every moment. Yeah. Stinking cute. And this is the last one. Love it, love it, love it. And I did bag toppers. Now, I'm always saying that tags are my favorite thing to create, and they are, but I am also loving creating bag toppers as well. And, oh, that's got a little twisted there. Now, this flamingo and this little palm tree leaf, whatever this is here, I got those from Michael's maybe about 2 years ago. And again, more of those little scooters that I got from AliExpress, and the stickers from the paper pad, or the paper kit rather. Love how it turned out. Stinking cute. And I did 4 bag toppers. And they do have dimension. And this here also came in a swap. I believe it was the loaded envelope swap did with Scrap the World. And one of the ladies sent me some of these. And these are stinking cute. Love these. Love, love, love how the bag toppers came out. And this is another one. The back of it. Summer days are here again. And this may be my last summer swap. The season is about to change, but just love how stinking cute the paper is. And so that is my project share. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great crafty day. Bye bye until the next video.